Hello everyone, my name is Jasek Bond. Now today I will be discussing some solutions for click fraud that I believe will best suit the needs of our company. Now I'd like to start by discussing some available software that's out there today. Now I'm suggesting that the company installs a click fraud monitoring plugin for either Google AdWords or AdSense. Now these plugins are free to download and install, and they do offer a lot of benefits. And some of these benefits include preventing malicious clicks by bots on our ads. In addition, preventing malicious clicks by human users on our ads, as well as preventing clicks by, let's say, our friends or company colleagues that want to click on our ad thinking that it's ultimately going to help us in the long run. In addition to that, these plugins also block a list of specific IP addresses, including detection of our own IP address, which is a great thing and obviously a great assistance to us when it comes to avoiding click fraud. Now the second solution that I'd like to suggest is, again, another type of software, but this one is not free, actually one that needs to be purchased. And it's a software program that generates referral reports. Now one program that I'd like to recommend is ClickTracks. Now ClickTracks will help the company isolate any websites that may be sending suspicious amounts of traffic to our company site. Now in addition to that, ClickTracks helps prepare a fraud report, and that fraud report is great because just in case the company ever needs to pursue this issue in the court of law, we have a report as proof on our behalf, and that could definitely assist the company if that route is ever taken. On a different note, ClickTracks does offer a free trial offer, which is great because we can always try it out, and if we like it and decide to stick with it, the company can always purchase the full program for $1,100, roughly $1,200, approximately $1,195 to be exact. And weighing out the cost to the benefits, I think if the software does what it needs to, it'll be a great investment for the company. Now the third solution that I'd like to suggest is a simple one, and that's keeping an eye on the competition. Now sometimes this isn't so simple, and we may need some assistance with that. For example, we need to identify what companies are competing with similar keywords as ours. And the reason being is that this could be a possible source of click fraud. Now there are free click tracking reports that can be obtained through what they call click forensics. Now these reports identify the number of clicks on our company ads that come from the competition. Now another solution that I'd like to discuss is, I guess, what you could consider a no-brainer, and that solution is tracking our advertising campaigns. Now it's a simple thing to do, but a lot of companies don't do it, and I suggest that we need to stay on top of it. And oddly enough and simply enough, Google AdWords offers tools like campaign performance and account performance. Now these two tools, they pretty much allow us to view the number of clicks that Google has classified as invalid. Now using these free tools that Google has to offer is a great solution for our company in the light of avoiding click fraud. Moving on. Now the fifth solution that I'd like to suggest is revolved around targeting high value sites to place our company ads on. Now the reason being is that click fraud occurs on low quality sites, and this is a known fact, and it's something that happens on a regular basis. Now we don't know if there's a person or a bot clicking our ads, but ultimately it can be to boost the site owner's pay-per-click revenues. Now it may take some time to obviously research these potential sites to place our ads on, but in the long run it'll be time and money well spent. Now the last solution that I'd like to suggest is, I guess, one you could consider an easy one, and this solution has to do with limiting our exposure. Now, for example, if we limit our ads to only be listed on websites that receive the most quality traffic, or the sites that we believe are going to reach out to audiences better than other sites have the capability or possibility of doing, then we need to focus on those key sites and avoid posting our ads on sites just because they share relevant keywords as ours. And the reason being is that obviously this is a great way to reduce the risk of click fraud. Now, in conclusion, I hope that you all found my solutions to this click fraud situation useful and relevant. I thank you all for watching, and even more so, I thank you for listening.